All right, we're out here on the job site in Portland, and we're installing this sauna back here. We realized that all four of us, in our bags, we have squidjig squares. So let's go through and collect them real quick. So we've got one here, one here. I'm gonna show you a couple of things that we really like about them too. One here, and one here. Squidjig came out with this awesome square, 100% made in the USA, and there's a lot of cool features on it. We're gonna cover just a couple of them. As you can see, different colors, shapes, sizes, heels, things like that. They're all easily interchangeable. If you want the 3/16 heel versus the bigger heel with this style level, just pop off, switch them out. I like the 3/16 heel for doing deck work because, as you know, the spacing in between each deck board is 3/16. That works really, really well for that. These squares here, it also has this torpedo level in there. So I find myself not using my actual torpedo level very often, and it now just takes this square and completely builds like 4 more tools into one tool, which I love. Another thing that you'll see on all of them, pardon the noise. Necessary?
Not necessary.
I don't think that's necessary. Another thing that I like about these, all of the squares have this little wrench right here and this little wrench right here. They fit different saws. And this saw I'm just using as an example. It actually doesn't have this size because, as you can see, it's a smaller saw. The wrench for this always gets lost. So the nice thing with this is you just pop it in here and you can unscrew it really well. Or if it doesn't fit that one, you can use the heel and do it that way. That's an awesome feature. Another thing that I really like about these has a lot of the markings, even like these Scribe lines here, a little bit thicker so that you can actually put your pencil in there and it'll actually work. And you have every single size that you need, you know, if you're scribing whatever wood you're scribing. We love these, and as you can see, all of us happen to have these squidjig tools. If you're a deck builder or even just a framer out there and you want a speed square, they cost a little bit more than your standard Empire from Home Depot, but I can promise you the amount of uses out of this is going to far exceed that of an Empire, and then the actual quality too of a square like this. You're pulling it in and out of your bags all the time, and so you want it to be very useful. The other thing is kind of gives you a little more clout. When you got that tool that looks awesome, it's squidjig. Squidjig's known for creating awesome tools. Just an awesome have to have in the bag. And then on the topic of squidjigs, but I bet all bags also have these. These are squidjig framing jigs. You can see Jason also has them on his bags. They're right here on your bags. They're clipped out of sight. These ones here, you can easily pull them off and use them. For those that aren't familiar, these are, or the main use for these is for cutting stair stringers. So you're gonna put this on your framing square, getting the right pitch. You can also put them on just your square if you're cutting the same piece over and over and over. And another common use for us is we actually put them right here on the skill saw. This is a hack for y'all out there. So now you have the exact same rip every single time. So if you're cutting the piece over and over and over, but you don't have a table saw, you now have a table saw in your hand. So that's a pretty cool little feature with these. Squidjig is known for these and their squares. We love their tools. Highly, highly, highly recommend.